Okay. That was no full pass. And he got a little droplet. Graham! Get that little droplet right there. Right here too, Graham. Yeah, that's a little oil, man. That look like some 2050. Yeah. Not much.
Coming here Friday, Saturday?
What's going on? This Friday?
Yeah, this Friday and Saturday.
Yeah, I think so. What's new? Appreciate the follow.
Call out some of them SS holding things out there.
I'll tell them want me to go get in line. Is it time now? Look like they getting ready to pull up, ain't it?
Yeah, they pulling up out there.
I don't see no Chevy SS or G8 though.
There's a whole fucking bunch of them there left.
I guess so. I brought my car just in case. My car ran good a while ago. That was the fastest it ever went, and it didn't even make a full pass.
Bullshit, man. For real?
Yeah. Kind of surprised me a little bit. I was like, okay.
I'm ready for you to get that Mustang back there.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm tired of waiting. I don't know what to do, man.
You had that motherfucker right.
Yeah, man. I was happy with it. How you doing in there, man? You all right? Was that you a while ago? Couldn't get it started?
Yeah.
You what it was, something simple?
Just had a problem with the fuel system.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you got it back right. What kind of system you got? Fuel Tech. Okay. They better than Holly. Fuel Tech better than Holly to you?
About the same.
About the same. Okay. Well, good luck, man. You done made you some full passes tonight?
Yeah, well, kind of.
Kinda.
On the wheelie.
Oh, okay. You had to tone it down a little bit. You tweak it a little, okay. He put a little tweak on it, y'all. We finna get it right. We working on a full pass. Just to let y'all know. Hey. Go get me another hot chocolate in a minute, but I'm feeling kind of good today. The weather for Ferris, Texas today. Big old wheelie right there, man. Man, make no tweak change to it, man. Somebody clip that. Yeah, somebody clip that, man. Anybody clipper working? Track's gonna be down for about 30 minutes. Oh, damn, they still. Oh,
hold on. Now we wouldn't even talk to him earlier. Yeah, we talk to him now.
what?
Jay,
Okay, we got you a good fair rate. My point, I can't beat you. I can't beat you. Okay, I'm not. My car not running. Good enough. Now, if y'all let me wiggle in something, I'll just try y'all just for the hell of it. But my car still ain't running. You see, it's popping out there and everything else.
Shit. The first thing popped.
Hey, man, I got Chris over there. I got Chris over there ready for you.
In that test?
Yeah, in that test.
Parachute on it?
Yeah, I guess he got a parachute. Oh no, not the one with the parachute. You talking about the gray one? I'm talking about the white boy Chris. I ain't talking about that parachute.
You walk back there, got a parachute.
Nah, I ain't talking about. We know you scared of parachute. I'm talking about the one, regular one, drove up in here.
What is it?
Chris.
It's a T100.
Yeah. What you want to do? Yeah, Chris right there. Well, Chris, man. Yeah. You know what it is. Oh, here you go, man. He got a Tesla, man. He got a Tesla. Go look at it. You know what you... Man, no, go look at it.
You know it's a plan.
No, you go look at it, see if it's a plan. Go look at it. Go look at it.
I need to see the steering wheel that's on.
Go to see the steering wheel. Go see the steering wheel. You scared of a plan too?
You in too, nigga?
Hell yeah.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You want to wiggle?
I want to hit.
Let him wiggle. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. I tell you what. We'll let him wiggle. You get him the back time.
Fuck it, I'll try that. Fuck it, come on. Fuck it, I'll try that.
1,000 pieces.
That's it.
You want to do that?
What's the rate with him?
He gonna let me hit.
Let him hit, and he give you the back time.
He in a faster car the fucking back time.
Yeah, so we can get.
He ain't made no fucking hit all day.
And that's his fault, man. No, we don't give a fuck if we don't never make no goddamn hit. Fuck his hit and you too. We don't give a goddamn. We don't never make no hit.
How long for you
He
ready?
ain't made no hit. He ain't
How
did
long
this.
for
Fuck
you
with
ready?
you.
We gotta make sure he want to do. He just said what?
No, fuck that. I can't run up. I can't do that.
Hey, OG, he changed his mind, OG. He changed his mind. Tiger.
I can't do the head up with nobody.
Car right there.
400-pound car like that.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
What's your channel?
Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing, man. Thank you.